Two.
Project number 1, Video Log Reflection. Alec Joaquim Quintanilla, 7 Emerald. When I started in PSHS-CLC almost 2 months ago, I encountered many interesting subjects, one of which is integrated science. I found the topics taken up so far to be interesting and not all confusing. However, the activities we performed related to the subject were kind of intimidating actually. Especially the laboratory activities. Because I was scared to break something. And I indeed broke a beaker. Here are the broken glasses from that beaker. A reminder for me to be careful next time. Sadly, because of that incident, I got a low grade in that particular laboratory exam. Eventually, though, I learned to use the laboratory materials carefully, and my fear of breaking something disappeared. It was a realization, so to speak, that I broke that beaker. After that, I gained confidence when I'm using those laboratory equipments. Test tubes, crucibles, and other breakables in the lab. After that exam, when I broke a beaker, I was able to recover and get a higher grade in the next test. When it came to PSHS-CLC, I had no early ideas related to science that I know of. In this manner, everything here so far are all new to me. I'm very excited to learn new things here in school. When we had our first activity in the laboratory, it turned out to be not so good. As I said earlier, we were measuring objects, mixing liquids, and taking temperatures. But I felt nervous and afraid I might break something, that as a result, I indeed broke that beaker and got a low grade. I will make sure that it will not happen again. After that though, with our long test activity, where I got a good grade, I was so excited and I felt I was able to recover from the first lab activity. After being able to recover from that initial shock, I started to enjoy and like the courses offered in school, especially in IS. While subjects are harder, it served to challenge me to work harder than I used to before. In that sense, there is no particular lesson. I just try to study and cope with all the hard work that we are expected to do. As of now, I cannot tell if there is something that has to be done to improve the course. As I see it, the course is already very good as it is. Of course, as time goes by, some improvements may have to be made, but that will surely be in the near future.